knowing where I was. And what I found when I got there is that it was an environment where there was a lot of veterans there.
It happens to be depressing, to be depressing, to be depressing.
I don't give a fuck. My name is Slim.
Election time is coming. If I was president, I'd get elected on Friday, assassinated on Saturday, buried on Sunday. If I was president, if I was president, a old man told me, instead of spending billions on the wall, we can use some of that money in the ghetto. I know some so poor, when it rains that's when they shower, screaming fight the power. That's when the vulture devoured. If I was president,
Nope, gotta go back over there. Come on.
elected on Friday,
You gotta come over here.
assassinated on Saturday,
Good girl. Come on.
buried on Sunday. If I was president,
Okay, no. Come on, no.
if I was president, if I was president, the radio won't play this. They call it
That was a fucking
refusing.
fiasco, huh?
How can you refuse it?
We're going?
Children of Moses, if I was president,
Not going?
elected on Friday, assassinated on Saturday, buried on Sunday. If I was president, I was president. Tell the children the truth, the truth. Christopher Columbus didn't discover America. Tell them the truth, yeah. Tell them about Marcus Garvey. Tell the children the truth, yeah, the truth. Tell them about Martin Luther King. Tell them the truth, the truth. Tell them about JFK. I was president. I was president. I get elected on Friday, assassinated on Saturday, buried on Sunday. If I was president, if I was president, yeah, that's the truth right there.